शेड्यूल वाले पे नहीं जाएंगे।
हाँ जाइए
शेड्यूल नेक्स्ट क्लास इज ऑन फ्राइडे
like on
Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to CLAT Funde once again. Join the class as fast as possible so that I can start the session. Saju B, good evening. Just waiting for 2 minutes so that rest of the people can join the class and I can start the session as well. Shikha Singh, good evening. And for those viewers who are watching for the first time, Rifat, good evening. Nidhi, good evening. Sagar Singh, good evening. For those viewers who are watching these classes for the first time, so let me tell you one thing, that CLAT Funde has been the initiative taken by CLAT Gurukul. In particular, in this time, in this pandemic situation, we have taken the initiative so that you can continue the classes and you will get the optimum benefit. And for that particular purpose, all the faculties of CLAT Gurukul, and we are running this initiative, that is CLAT Funde. And as you know, according to schedule, today it is all about English classes, and that is to be taken by Nillanjan Sir, me itself. So I'm here, and today I'll be introducing 2 different chapters, as I have always promised you that in each and every class we'll be discussing new chapters. And all the chapters, all the topics are included in CLAT and other law entrance examination as well. So once a particular student is preparing for the CLAT examination, definitely he is having the options for the rest of the law entrance examinations. So for that particular purpose, we are combining all the topics, and you will get the maximum practice session as well. And continuing this particular tradition, today I am going to introduce you. I think I should start the class because already it crossed 5. And right from the beginning, I have been saying that punctuality is the most important thing. If you are attending the classes on a serious note, definitely it will reflect in the coming future also. So it shows how much passionate you are. Try to be on time. Okay, let me start. I have almost covered up different kind of topics which are quite common in different law entrance examinations. Those who have attended all the classes, they must know about it, that what are the topics and what have been covered till now. And 2 more topics are still to be covered. And those topics, I have come up today with those 2 different kind of topics. And these 2 topics are also important from the perspective of law entrance examination. Nidhi, sir, I have a doubt. Will these classes continue till CLAT 2021?
yes.
Nidhi, I am not sure why you are having such kind of doubt, because definitely we are going to continue all these classes up till CLAT 2021. We are not in that particular, we are not particular about the schedule. It may be changed a little bit, but definitely we are going to continue for till CLAT 2021. So you should not have any kind of doubt in your mind, and rest of the students, whoever are watching these classes, definitely they can be rest assured that yes, we are going to continue our classes till CLAT 2021. You can be 100% sure about it. No issue. Okay, Nidhi, you got it? So here you can see the first one, selecting the grammatically correct sentence. Okay. The thing is that till now, what we have discussed in the spotting error segment, different individual sentences were given, and you were supposed to select the error part. In that particular part in which the error lies, you are supposed to find out that particular part or identify that particular part, right? And here today, we have a different kind of practice sessions. If we consider the AILET examination and other law entrance examination, considering BHU and other law entrance examination, you can find this particular kind of question pattern. You cannot depend only of one sentence, only you should not be depending only one sentence to be correct. Rather, combination of 4 or 5 sentences, or it can be combination of 2 sentences, it will be given to you. And what you are going to do, you have to find out the correct sentence according to maybe the meaning of a particular word, according to the grammatical aspects, according to the rule of that. So definitely it is going to be interesting. So you please do take care of this particular practice session. And the second one, matching the category. If you talk about AILET examination and other rest of the examinations, law entrance exam, you may find this kind of question. Certain sentences will be given, and in those particular sentences, one word will be highlighted, right? So you are supposed to select the exact category of that particular word. That word is in which category? In the 2 columns will be there. In the left side, sentences will be given. Athar Mishra, good evening. Yeah. And the right side, the categories will also be provided. So what you are going to do, you have to match both the things. Okay. Look, actually my intention is very clear that I cannot give any kind of scope to all of you that yes, this particular topic is not getting covered or this topic is untouched. I will leave no stone unturned for all of you guys. Each and every topic will be absolutely discussed in our practice session, and we will get you familiar with this kind of topic so that it will not be difficult for you if questions may be asked from these kind of segments. And that is our objective, and particularly I am just including all these kind of topics in my class as well. So be careful to take all these seriously, right? Saju B, sir, when a country is specified, which pronoun should be mentioned to the country? It should be the. Which pronoun? Sir, when a country is specified, which pronoun should be discussed about that? Arya Suman, good evening, sir. Okay. Now it should be the definite pronoun, definite kind of pronoun, Sajubi. Okay. Now selecting the grammatically correct sentences. Okay. So let me proceed to the first question. Here it is. It was a great day and I was feeling all right. And the second one, it was a great day and I was feeling all right. In these 2 particular sentences, there is a combination of 2 different kind of sentences, right? So in these 2 sentences, what you are supposed to select the correct one. Which one is going to be correct? Shikha Singh, your answer is A. Rifat, your answer is A. Harshita, 1A. Rest of the people? Saju B, what is your answer? One A. Okay, most of you are giving the answer. Megha Agarwal, sorry for the late coming. No issue, Megha, but almost you are on bang on time, but today you are a little bit late, so you are excused. No issue. Please continue. Concentrate. Look, the thing is that, let me discuss. The thing is that 2 words are there. First one is all right, A-L-R-I-G-H-T, and the second one is all right, A-double-L-R-I-G-H-T. Okay, there is a confusion among all the grammarians that which word is correct. According to grammarian, the second word, this one is going to be the correct. A-L-R-I-G-H-T, all right, it's wrong. According to the grammarian, they don't believe that this word is correct because it is considered as a slang one. The correct word is A-double-L-R-I-G-H-T, all right. So considering that particular fact, according to the grammarian, it was a great day and I was feeling all right. All right here means sab kuch theek hai. Everything is perfect. Everything is in perfect condition. All means considering all the aspects and everything is perfectly all right. That's why you should consider the second sentence, that is to be correct one. And if we are talking about the first one, ALRIGHT, it is considered as a slang one, and according to grammarian, ALRIGHT, the application is wrong. So definitely your answer is going to be 1B. Got it? Explanation is absolutely clear. You please respond so that I can move to question number 2. Megha, Athar, Arya Suman, Bhavna Kumari, Saju B. Okay, got it? Everyone? Okay, fine. So, let me proceed to the next sentence. This is the combination of 3 different kind of sentences. I would like to tell you one thing, that please do concentrate in this particular question. Certain bit of change is there in each and every sentence. So please go through minutely with careful observation. Then only you will come to know that which one is going to be the correct one. Word by word, you just move on so that you can get to know. Let me tell you, first one, where good friends are concerned, my chief criteria has always been loyalty. Okay. Second one, where good friends are concerned, my chief criterion has always been loyalty. So the word that has been changed, in the first sentence it was criteria, and the second sentence it is criterion. And if you go for the third one, here it is, where good friends are concerned, my chief criterion has always been loyalty. Now, in the second sentence, the word was concerned, and in the third one, you see the word is concerned, CONCERN. Okay, so in each and every sentence, out of the 3 sentences, in each and every sentence, there is a little bit of change implied. So what is going to be the correct one? Take your time, think it out, and give the answer. Megha Agarwal, you are saying that I think the answer is B. Nidhi A. Rifat to B. Education first A. Arya Suman 2A. Bhavna Kumari A. Okay, fine. Those people who are saying that correct answer is A, let me tell you what is the reason behind that the first one, A, is wrong. I must say A is wrong. Now, why am I saying like that? So you should know what is the logic. Now, I am just going to underline particular word, and that is criteria. Okay? Now, if you're saying that my chief criteria, if you're indicating the word chief, it means the principal one, the main one, and that should be one, that should be singular by nature, and criteria, for your kind information, is the plural form. It is not the singular form. So after this plural one, has you cannot write. And if you consider has, then it should not be criteria. And if you are considering my chief criteria, it should be only one, so indicating the singular one. And for the singular one, it should not be criteria, it should be criterion. So A is wrong. Fine, criteria is the plural form and criterion is the singular one. Here the sentence requires the singular one, so it is wrong. Clear, everyone? Everyone got it? Everyone satisfied with the explanation of A? Why am I saying it is wrong? Okay, now let me move to B. Where good friends are concerned, my chief criterion has always been loyalty. Now, if you are considering criterion as the singular one, after that the verb will be singular. So criterion should be followed by has, which is identically written over here, criterion has. And here it is also written, my chief criterion has. So if you were, I am going to underline this one. If you are underlining my chief criterion has, it is perfectly all right. Why? Because my chief indicating singular one, criterion is the singular form followed by singular verb, that is has. After that, always been loyalty. This sentence is perfectly all right, but still we are not going to say that B is the correct one until and unless we move to C sentence, sentence C, where good friends are concerned. Now after R here, you just look, after R it is written concern. It should be concerned. Okay, after R it should be concerned. So in that way it is wrong. It should have been concerned. So that's why C will be eliminated, A will be eliminated, only one sentence left, and that is B. So the correct answer is B. Those whoever has given the answer B, they're absolutely correct. Logic is clear to all of you? These kind of sentences may be given in the examination, and you have to identify which one is going to be the correct one depending on considering all the grammatical aspects. Okay, careful observation, minute observation is required over here to solve these kind of questions. Fine? Okay. Now, moving to next question. Here the question in front of you. I hope the solar flare doesn't affect our computer equipment. And second one, I hope the solar flare doesn't affect our computer equipment. Two different words are given. First one is, that is FLAIR, and second one FLARE. Two different words are there. Okay, so you have to identify which one. First, you have to be sure about what is the difference between FLAIR flare and FLARE flare. First one, flare, FLAIR, it means skill. It means skill. And if you talk about the second one, FLARE flare, it means to blaze something, right? Eruption. So I hope the solar flare doesn't affect our computer equipment. In this particular sentence, it should be FLARE. It cannot be FLAIR, as I have already told that FLAIR flare means skill. So first sentence doesn't have any connection with skill. That's why we should eliminate A and we should consider B, and B will be the correct answer. Okay, till now, those questions, whatever have been practiced, those questions were based on homonyms or homophones, similar sounding but different meaning. It can be one of the aspects of the questions. You have to consider all the aspects. Okay? Next question. Here it comes. Once again, go through carefully, then only you will answer it. अभी ना नीचे वाला जो आ रहा है वो हट नहीं सकता है, हाइड ऑन करके जो आ रहा है क्या, वो जो दिख रहा है हाइड ऑल के नीचे क्लैट के. Okay. So the first sentence is, let's take the next boat off this island. We'll be in imminent danger if we wait around. Second one, so you should know what is the meaning of eminent. Eminent means famous, renowned. Okay. Now let's take the next boat off this island. We will be in imminent danger if we wait around. Second word is imminent. Okay. And the third one, let's take the next boat off this island. We will be in imminent danger if we wait around. Look, in all the three sentences, almost similar sounding words are given. but actually their meaning are completely different. Here, eminent means famous, eminent means upcoming, or you can rather say forthcoming. And third one, eminent, it means pervasive. Okay, so which one is to be selected and which one is to be eliminated? Yeah, Nidhi, you are absolutely correct. About to happen, forthcoming, which is upcoming. So, B is the answer. Okay. Somebody is saying, I think Saju B, Aryan, Suman, Athar, Mishra, all of you are saying that B. Okay. So first let me eliminate and then we are going to select the correct one. First one, eminent danger. Danger cannot be eminent. Famous danger, it is absolutely vague. It doesn't make any sense over here. That's why we are going to eliminate the first one. It cannot be the correct sentence. Okay. Now moving to B. Let's take the next board of this island. We will be in imminent danger if we wait around. If we are going to wait around, definitely there is some upcoming danger. It makes a sense over here according to meaning. The second sentence is absolutely okay. So imminent can be considered, but without moving to C, we are not sure about which one is going to be the correct one. Moving to C. Imminent danger. So now imminent means here I've already told you pervasive danger. It cannot be, it is also not making a sense over here. So definitely we are going to eliminate C. And only one option left, and that is B. So out of these three sentences, only B is going to be the correct one. Here is actually what I have done. I have changed the word, similar sounding, having different meaning, and you have to select the correct word which makes a sense, and according to meaning it is justified, it reflects the true one in the sentence. So that's why correct answer will be B. Got it, everyone? Understood? Here comes the next question. She was not interested in being part of any of the cliques at school. And she was not interested, second one, she was not interested in being part of any of the cliques at school. Arif Walker, your answer is A. Okay. Now, Arya Soman, your answer is B. Megha Garwal A. Rifat A. Saju B. Nidhi B. Education First B. Those who are saying that option B is correct, they are absolutely correct. Why am I saying like that? Now I am going to underline two different words. First one is cliques and second one is also cliques. What is the difference between these two words? Fine, meaning wise. This clicking. So if you are considering she was not interested in being part of the any cliques at school, actually the sentence wants to mean that in a school there is a group of people or group of students and she is not going to be involved in that particular part. So if somebody is going to be involved in that particular group, if you are considering a group, exclusive group, and she is not showing her interest to be involved in that particular group, so once we are highlighting the word group of people, exclusive group of people, it should be referred by the word CLIQUE, which is written in the second sentence. Here you find in the second sentence it is written clique, CLIQUE, and this clique means exclusive group of people in which the members, existing members, they actually don't allow the other people to join in that particular group. This is the meaning of clique, CLIQUE, and the sentence requires that particular word which should indicate the group of people who will not allow the other one other or the rest of the people to get involved in that particular group. That's why your correct answer will be, of course, your correct answer will be B. Got it? Fine. Moving to next question. Here it comes. Carlos can't wait to go to the fair this weekend. And second one, Carlos can't wait to go to the fair this weekend. It's the easiest one. So definitely I expect that you should make it correct. Nidhi has given the answer, that is B. Okay. Arya Suman, A. Sagar Singh, B. B. What is the meaning of the first one? F-A-R-E. Two words are going to be needed to be underlined. First one, F-A-R-E, fair, and second one, F-A-I-R. Now, what is the meaning of the first one? F-A-R-E, fair. Carlos is a person who cannot wait to go to the fair. I don't think so. It's absolutely correct. It's not buffering. Sab log bol rahe buffering. Right now it is buffering. Rifat, Megha, it's still buffering now. Nidhi buffering. Now it's fine. Okay. So getting back to the question once again. So what should be the answer? Carlos cannot wait to go to the fair this weekend, and Carlos cannot wait to go to the fair this weekend. Which one is going to be correct one? Now it's fine. Okay, fine. I got it. Mela in Hindi, it means Arya Suman. So in this particular sentence, we are considering which one? We are giving a privilege to the fair price, or we are trying to indicate the Mela as you have written in your chat? Which one? It should be which one? Please do respond. F-A-I-R. Okay. Second one is correct. F-A-I-R, fair. Okay, fine. Good. Now this is a different kind of exercise for you. I think what I suggest for you guys, that you should concentrate in these kind of exercises, because it is purely based on grammatical aspect. Okay, in AILET examination, you may find, why should I say you may find, you will definitely find this kind of questions to involve in the question paper. 4 or 5 marks allotted for this kind of question. In the left side, a few sentences are written, and in the right side, the categories are written. What you are supposed to do, you have to match the words which have been italicized, italics. All the words, like in the first sentence, this, T-H-I-S, it has been written in italics. Second one, trustworthy, once again. Third one, each, color is also changed over here. So, one question exercise, walking gerund. Okay, Sajubi, just wait. We will start from the first one. Okay, we will start from the first one. Then only we can move to the next one. Now, first sentence, it is written, this book belongs to me. This book belongs to me. The first word that has been italicized, and that is this, T-H-I-S. Now, one thing I would like to tell you, that after this, the particular word that is written, the immediate next word is book. Book is considered as a noun, and this is qualifying that particular book. If a word is qualifying a noun, then that word is known as adjective, because adjective qualifies a noun. In that case, this book, so this is called demonstrative adjective. If you find that, here it is written demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective is a kind of adjective which displays or demonstrates something, and that is a noun. And in the first sentence, book is the noun, and this is qualifying noun. That's why this is considered as demonstrative adjective. Got it, everyone? Fine. Moving to second sentence. Suman is not a trustworthy person. Suman is not a trustworthy person. Now here the word is trustworthy. Now what does it mean? Trustworthy, qualitative. Okay. Trustworthy is a word which is framed from the particular word, that is trust. If you rely on somebody else, if you have trust on somebody, if you can give any assignment and you can be rest assured that yes, it is going to be completed within stipulated time, then that person is said to be trustworthy person. And here, someone is not a trustworthy person. So if you are talking about trust, definitely it should be expressing the quality. In that case, it after trustworthy, look, here it is written person, that is noun. And once again, this particular word is qualifying the noun, that is person. So that's why we will select that trustworthy is qualitative adjective. Very good. All of you, whoever has given the answer qualitative adjective, they are absolutely correct. Very good. Moving to question number 3. Each of them has to be paid immediately. Each of them has to be paid immediately. Now, each, E-A-C-H, each will be categorized in which one? Here are the options. Education first, distributive, Shikha, distributive, Saju B, distributive pronoun. Okay. Okay. Whenever the word comes like each, yeah, every, definitely you should consider that as distributive. And if that word like each or every followed by any preposition, not by a noun, mind it what I'm saying. Each or every, those words will not be followed by a noun when they are followed by a preposition. Like in this particular sentence, each is followed by of, that is preposition. Then only you can say that each will be distributive pronoun. Okay, and here it is written distributive pronoun. Got it? Logic is absolutely clear to you guys. Have you understood? Look, selecting the answer is not the main focus. Rather, you should be totally, you should know that what is the logic behind it and why we are going to select that option. So once again, I am going to repeat, each when followed by a preposition, then only it can be called distributive pronoun. Otherwise, each can also be used as a distributive adjective. Okay? Moving to next sentence, and that is sentence number 4. He himself has done the work. He himself has done the work. Now the word highlighted, that has been highlighted, himself. Now how, in which category were emphatic pronouns? Shikha Singh, your answer is emphatic pronoun. Megha Agarwal, emphatic pronoun. Saju B, emphatic pronoun. Very good, very good. All of you are excellent. Good. Himself, emphatic pronoun. Then why? It's fine now. Just tell me. It's okay, sir. Okay, fine. So by this act, I can substantiate the fact that it's not only happening to a particular any individual's class, in a particular SATS class, that only in your class this is happening. It's not like that. It can happen in anybody's class, right? So we don't have any control over this kind of things because it's a technical kind of thing. Okay? Now, walking is a good exercise. Next question. Walking is a good exercise. The highlighted word is walking. Now, in which category you are going to put it? Walking. Gerund. Shikha Singh, your answer is gerund. Okay. And the rest of the people? It's gerund. Most of you are answering gerund. Okay. So what do you mean by gerund? It's called verbal noun. It looks like a verb, but it functions like a noun. It looks like a verb and it functions like a noun. Walking is a good exercise. Now, if somebody is asking any question that which is a good exercise, so if you're asking any question to the object, your answer will be a subject, and that is a noun. And in this particular sentence, walking word comes from walk, walk, and after that it is added to ing, walking. So it looks like a verb, but actually it functions like a noun. That is all about gerund. So walking is a good exercise. Walking will be categorized as gerund. Fine. The last sentence. You need not go there. You need not go there. So one option is left, obvious choice, and that is bare infinitive. Now, what do you mean by bare infinitive? There are two kinds of infinitives. First one, the structure following 2 plus V1, I want to go there. So 2 plus V1, to go, that is infinitive. And there are some verbs in which we don't require to. We don't require to. Without to, the verb is playing the role of infinitive. And that particular infinitive is known as bare infinitive. NEED, need, when it is taken in a positive sense, if we are saying that you need to follow the instruction, you need to follow the instruction. In this sentence, the sense is positive. That's why we should add need to. But whenever the sentence implies a negative one, like in this sentence, you need not go there. You were not instructed to go there. If need is giving the instruction in a negative way, then in that particular case, you don't require to add to, need to. So it should be without to. When it is without to, it is called bare infinitive. And in that way, you can categorize all the words which have been highlighted over here. So this kind of exercises you practice as much as possible, because it is going to be very much beneficial for you considering other law entrance examinations. Look, we have been striving hard to get you familiar with different kind of topics, and those topics we are going to cover up almost common in all other law entrance examinations. So your preparation will be absolutely okay if you practice as much as possible, and we are trying our level best. Definitely, once again, I am going to say you that we will be continuing our classes till 2021. You can be rest assured about that. But yes, our schedule can be modified, our schedule can be changed a little bit depending on the present circumstances, but you can be rest assured that classes will not be off. It will be definitely 100% continued for your betterment, and that's our purpose always. So my question is that, have you enjoyed this session with different kind of question pattern? Already we have touched different kind of questions or topics in English classes. Particularly if I am talking about myself, definitely it's my motto that yes, I should get you familiar with those kind of topics which are really essential considering law entrance examination in the English segment. And later on, whenever I'll be conducting the classes, I will get you familiar with reading comprehension passages also. Okay, that's all from my side today, and I hope all of you have enjoyed the session. And if you have enjoyed the session, if you love watching these kind of video classes over there, whatever we are conducting, definitely you spread the words as much as possible among your peers, among the group members, among your friends. Okay? Enjoyed and got to know. So Monday's AILET mock test question were amazing. Thank you, Megha. It's our objective that to give our best to all of you. Also, find CLAT Gurukul on Instagram. There will be regular updates for you. You please be connected with the Instagram. always you will be getting touch with those kind of things. And that's all from my side today. Thank you. Thank you. Be safe. आधा दिखाई